Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I wanted to share you how you can create this viral and trending Ghibli style portrait using your mobile. So for this you don't need any expensive gear as well as expensive softwares to create this Ghibli style portraits. For this you just need an application called chatgpt in your mobile. So I'm your Sahu signing in and welcome back to my channel. So without wasting any more time, let's begin this video. So for this, first you need to install the app called chatgpt. Then head over to chatgpt here. Let me open here. Here first you need to sign up with your Google account. Then you will be getting this interface. In the left corner you can see this plus option. Click on that and select photo. Select the photo which you wanted to edit. I'm selecting this. Make sure the photos should be very clean and clear so that you will be getting a clear image than other people, so that your Ghibli portrait will look somewhat better. Then click on add here and give a prompt. Convert this image into a Ghibli style portrait and hit enter here. It may take some moments to generate the image. Let's wait for some time. Here you can see that. In this photo it doesn't have any open smile, right? I want open smile in this photo, so I wanted to convert this into the open smile photo. So I head here to the messenger of chatgpt and type here, make this photo into a open smile image. Then hit enter here. It may take some moments again and it will generate a perfect enhanced Ghibli style portrait for you. So here we go. This is how you can create Ghibli style portraits in chatgpt. And if you use X, that means Twitter, you can also create this same Ghibli style portraits using Twitter also. So head to Twitter here and there you will be finding an option called grokai. Click on that. And same here also you will be having an option called gallery. Click on that and select the photo which you wanted to edit and give the same prompt. Convert this image into the Ghibli style portrait and click on enter. It will also take some moments and generate this stunning AI Ghibli portrait for you guys. This is how you can create these Ghibli style portraits using your mobile. So that's all for the today's videos guys. And the bad news of this video is you can only create 5 Ghibli style portraits of your photos using chatgpt as well as grokai. Per day you can create 10 images by using both of them. So that's all for today's videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure like this video, and if this video add essence for your life or for your daily life activities, make sure subscribe to our channel, and let's meet in another video guys. Until then, bye bye now, signing off.